everybody, I'm packed for a long 4-day weekend, so in today's video I'm going to show you what I carry in my tank bag. Stick around and I'll show you what I've got. Hey everybody, today I'm going to be talking about what I carry in my tank bag. I personally don't like wearing a backpack, so I use a tank bag. Mine's very large. I have a Suzuki Vstrom, so my tank can handle a pretty good sized bag. I love the ones with the clear pouch on top so that you can have a map, room for extra stickers in case I meet people. The top part of my bag has a little like pocket or pouch. It's where I put my safety information, emergency phone numbers, emergency contacts. I usually have a pen or a highlighter. I have my water bladder. Again, I don't like having that extra weight on my back, so I put it in the tank bag. If you'll notice, my Camelback tube has a neoprene sleeve, helps insulate the water so it gets less hot while it's sitting in the tube. I always carry with me a pair of thin glove liners in case the weather changes and it gets really cold. I also carry another pair of regular gloves in my Gibby top box. I carry lots of snacks. I always have 2 granola bars per day just in case. Sometimes there's not places to stop to eat, and I hate being hungry. I love carrying gum that is in a protected case so it doesn't get smushed or yucky or smell like other things in your bag. I always have tons of earplugs. You gotta switch them out when they get dirty or in case you lose them. I often carry around individual sized granola bars or trail mix, and I love dried fruit. Dried mangoes, dried apricots, all that stuff. Another thing I carry is a travel-sized bottle. It used to be hairspray, but I just put water in it, and a microfiber towel of some sort to clean off my helmet visor. Of course, we're going to need a buff. The weather can change, so it's always a good idea to have a thin buff. And if you know the weather is going to get cold, bring along that extra thick one. Toilet paper, baby wipes, I always have those. I store them in Ziploc bags to protect them. It's always important to have that in case of roadside emergency bathroom trips. I've also got my pocket-sized tissue. Another Ziploc bag I have has gloves. So whenever you have to do any roadside repairs, whether it's to change a tire or oil or anything, it's good to have those gloves on hand. Now this is a kickstand plate that I got for free at some motorcycle event, but it's really hard to get those off the ground, so I just tied a piece of string to it. So after you've gotten on your bike and you've tilted it over, you can just use that string to pull it up off the ground. Other important items would include having a flashlight or headlamp. It's really important to have your hands free when you're doing bike repairs. Zip ties, because you never know when something's going to break. Chapstick, sunscreen. Make sure you have extra phone cords in case one of your cords or chargers breaks. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope this was a helpful video. Click the subscribe button, find me on all my socials, and also subscribe to my blog, motorcyclemama.org. I hope to see you out on a ride very soon. Take care.